All right, we've got everything put together. We've got the water all taken care of, everything except a surfactant. Now what a surfactant does is it takes care of that water spider highway. Now the water spider highway is the surface tension that it walks on. We need to make that as thin as possible, because even though gold is 19 times heavier than water, that gold can get stuck on surface tension and float away. Gone is gone. If you don't want to lose your gold. So we're going to make that surface tension as thin as possible. And we're going to do that with a jet dry. Now a jet dry is used in an automatic dishwashing solution to be able to take and spread the spots out, make your water thinner so it doesn't leave spots, and that's what we're going to do in here. Now you can use a jet dry, you can use a Dawn detergent. The cheaper the detergent, the better. Okay, if you've got a detergent that's got good for your hands, it's not good for your gold. All right, so cheap, nasty stuff, you got it. That's what we're going to do for the water, and just a quick little squirt. That's it. That's all you need. And then we're going to go ahead and just kind of like just move that around a little bit, get that all mixed in. We're ready to go. Now we're going to use this big pan here as a catch pan. So if we need to go through our material again, we can go through it out of that pan. Now one of the rookie mistakes that people make is not having their pan treated, not having it ready for getting that fine gold. Now when I'm talking about it not being ready for fine gold, if you take a look at that, see how that water just kind of beads up on it? Looks like a nice car commercial for a wax. That's not the way we want our pan to work. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take like 100 grit sandpaper. Then with 100 grit sandpaper in a brand new pan, we got to get the oil off of it, and we've got to rough up that surface so the water can spread out on it. So I've got some 100 grit sandpaper here, and I'm just going to take and just start scrubbing that surface on there. I'm going to get it all nice and rough. Now, since all we're doing is using the bottom of the pan for final finished fine gold recovery, I don't care about what's happening on the side of my pan. We're not going to use it anyway. So just get that all sanded down. Now once that's sanded down, we can throw some water in there, and look at that. That bottom of that pan is staying wet. When the bottom of your pan is able to stay wet everywhere, then you are ready for panning. Let's go panning.